Let's see, there it is. Look at that, you guys. It's a copyright. 1993. A fine year, I'm led to believe. So enjoy it. Reminisce about it. Get romantic. Think about where you were in 1993 and shudder. Maybe there was a scare with a woman that you didn't fancy so much, but she called and said, "Hey, I'm late," and you're it. Maybe that happened. And then for the next 3 weeks of your life, you're on an emotional roller coaster, waking up in a puddle of your own sweat and tears, going to the boss at your sales organization that following morning saying something to the effect of, "You got to put me in, coach. It looks like I made a mistake and I really need to make the money. And I'm going to learn the actual use of the phrase with him. What's in it for me?" Maybe that's what was happening to you in 1993. And then again, maybe it wasn't.